In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your customers' email addresses from QuickBooks. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First, let's open up QuickBooks by logging in. Start by clicking on the Sign In button. This is the gateway to accessing your QuickBooks Online account, which is necessary for managing your business finances and, of course, for today's task of exporting data. Once on the sign-in page, you'll need to choose QuickBooks Online if that's your version of the service. Selecting this option ensures we're navigating through the correct interface. If you're already familiar with QuickBooks, this will be a simple selection for you. Next, type in your credentials. Make sure you're entering your username and password accurately to avoid any login issues. If you're using a shared device or are concerned about security, remember to uncheck any Remember Me options to keep your account safe. After entering your details, click Continue to Proceed. Now that we're logged in, we'll head over to the settings. Look for the gear icon located in the top right corner of the QuickBooks interface. This is your go-to spot for all system settings, and it's where we'll start our export process. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a list of various options related to your account settings and preferences. From there, we're going to find and click on Export Data. This option is essential for extracting information from QuickBooks, whether it's for backup, data analysis, or sharing with other departments. Clicking on Export Data will open a new series of steps specifically designed for exporting. Within the Export Data section, you'll see a tab labeled Lists. Go ahead and click on it. Lists are where QuickBooks organizes much of the data you input, including customer information. It's a powerful tool for both managing and exporting your customer lists. After reaching the Lists section, locate and click on Customers. This option is critical because it narrows down the data selection specifically to customer information, which is what we aim to export today. QuickBooks will load your customer data, preparing it for export. Finally, we're ready to export. Click on the Export to Excel button. By doing this, you're instructing QuickBooks to compile your customer information into a spreadsheet, which will then be downloaded to your device. This format is perfect for reviewing, manipulating, and sharing data as needed. And there you have it. Your customer email addresses are now successfully exported from QuickBooks and saved onto your computer in a versatile Excel file. You can open it to verify the contents or further organize the data to suit your needs. Remember, keeping an organized record of your customer contacts can be hugely beneficial for marketing and maintaining relationships with your clients. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.